Hello, my name is Johnny Moon, and this is my project number 3, Developer's Best Friend. And this website's made to be a collection of tools for developers so they can quickly generate some user content, some text, do some formatting on some JSON and image resizing and stuff. To start out, we'll go to the URL is p3.johnnymoon.com, and on the home page you can see a link to all the different sections. If you click on the lorem ipsum section, you'll see that it's really straightforward and simple. And the user can choose how many paragraphs they want. If they want them to be small, medium, or large, they click generate. It'll create the number of paragraphs. They just want one. They can change the size. There's validation built in, so if someone changes some of the parameters, it notifies them, hey, you had an error, we're defaulting, so we still show a result. But really they shouldn't have any errors because they're just selects, and so if they follow using those, it'll work just fine. Going to the next section is a user generator. By default we display 5 users, and there are a couple of options. You can also include a birth date, and you can include a photo. These photos are taken from UI Faces. It's a website that has a collection of faces for mockups. You can change number of users. I also wanted to be able to have a JSON format so that you could include it in JavaScript very easily. So you can go like that, and you've got an entire list of JSON. In addition, this also has the same validation, so if someone comes and puts an invalid format, for example, it lets them know, hey, you gave a bad format and I'm defaulting to HTML. Next is the password generator. This is ported over from project number 2, and not a lot has changed for this. You can still choose number of words, how you want to put them together, and what type of case you want on those words. And it still has the validation. It's using the Blade templates now. After password generator, we have the image generator, and this allows you to generate images that are to a predefined size. Imagine that I want to create some small images that are 50 pixels, and I want the quality to be about 80%. I've got this picture of a dog, so I click generate, and it creates different croppings of that 50 pixel square. And so first we have grow to fit, where it scales it to fit the entire area, shrink to fit, where it resizes to fit within the area, and then where it's just scaling the width to be 50 and the height to be 50. Also, there's this base64 encoding, so you can, for example, take this picture and with this image tag, it's valid HTML, so it can be embedded on a page, and you can see the result right there. Once again, there is validation on this page, so it'll tell you that you must upload an image, and also you've got an invalid width. And so if we fix that, we click generate, and now you can see the new width is validated fine. Next up, we've got the JSON formatter. The JSON formatter is just a simple way of formatting JSON text. To start out, I've got a long string of JSON. Go back full screen, and you got a couple of options. You can do just a plain editor, or the full screen, or the plain JSON. So to start out, we'll do just the editor. This is using the Ace editor. I like this one a lot because it gives nice coloring for the JSON, and it also provides collapsing. And also, if you have an error in your JSON, it actually gives an inline error message for you. Sometimes it's really nice to look at a lot of JSON full screen, and so I added the option for full screen editor. And you can see I still have my error in it, and coming back from the server, it'll even show me on line 9 I've got an error. So we'll fix that real quick, then close this message. Format comes back correctly. And we can also jump to the full screen plain JSON editor. And this is just a no-thrills large text area that has all of the JSON. That is about it. Thank you.